Hi friends, welcome back to our Wednesday's Canva session. And friends, today I'll be showing you one amazing animation hack of Canva. And you can say that it is one of my favorite also. Friends, this type of animations actually I saw that a lot of influencers as well as the digital creators are using it for making their Instagram reels as well as their YouTube shorts. So I thought of trying it with Canva and guys, I'm successful to do it inside the Canva itself. So I'll be showing you that type of animation today. So let's start today's session. So friends, first of all, I select the Instagram reel size inside the Canva and I will today show you to design a green screen animation with the help of Canva. So let us make the background green itself. So I'll go and I'll select a green color like this, or you can go for this one. Now I'll put some elements so that it comes pretty cool and nicely. I'll select this one. So I'll just put it down. And friends, the goodness inside this element is we can change the color of this element and we can customize it according to our own color choice. Okay, so I'll just make it a little bit small and you can select this dotted square so that it can get fit inside it. And for making it fit inside it, you can make it a little bit bigger. And friends, I'll just make sure that it gets nicely fit in a proper way. Can check it like this. And now I'm going to change the color and I'll make it to the color of the element. Okay, now what we can do, I'll just make it, I'll just add a text, like I'll just add a text box and you can put like number one, because here I'm saying some points. Think of a situations where you are saying the points, like point number one you should do like this, like inside the Canva. If you follow some influencers of your favorite choice, you can do like that. So I'll put some points like this, and after the animation is getting finished, you will understand what is my intention is. So let's do, and I'll change the font to one of the font like Hangy Bolly, because I found this is little bit easy and funny also. So I'll just put it in the middle, and here it is, and I'll just duplicate it. And you can write any kind of steps, but since I am showing you this design, I like the steps of this design itself. So let's write like first of all we need to plan the design. So I am writing like planning, and you can put it like this here. Make sure that it is coming in the middle. Then we can just group it and make it small. And friends, now is the time is like we just need to copy it like this. And here you can make it like this one. And if you want to reduce the size, you can reduce it. For that, I'll again make it small so that we can easily make the others. So I'll just duplicate it here, and I'll just like animate, because this is animation. So the second stage will be animate. Okay. So you can see that it's getting little bit more space. So I'll reduce the font size like this. You can do, and I'll do one thing that I'll just, since it's taking a lot more time, I'll just ungroup it, and you can make it like this. And here is the option that you can make it a little bit bigger so that it also appears coming correctly. Okay, now I'll just try to pull it in the middle, and I'll just make it number two. So here is the thing that it's becoming small and this is a big. So in that case, I'll just delete the entire thing and I'll just pull it a little bit down, or else you can make it, zoom it, and you can put it like this in a proper way. And here you need to put the 2 downwards. Now I'll again just group it, and you can make it in the smaller way now, and you can reduce the size. Now friends, I'll just do one thing. I'll again just duplicate it in the whole way. Now I need to write the number 1 and number 2. So here I'll write the number 1 like plan, and the third which I'm going to write again, I'll just duplicate it, and I'll just put it as number 3, and I'll just put like remove. So we are going to show you what we are going to remove also, so don't worry about that. And I'll just put the number 2 in the middle and the number first in the beginning. So let's do like that, and I'll just zoom it out. Make sure that all these three are in the same gap and the same line. Okay, so you can see it is in the same line. Now I'll just again make them in the position, so that I'll just make sure that they're coming in the middle. Now friends, next my step will be like, I will just duplicate this, and you can also change the duration. Here I'll be just changing the duration to like, I make it 3 seconds. Now I'll just duplicate it. You can add duplicate the page. And now my thing is like, I'll just make it a little bit bigger. Okay. And you can see how the height and width is uh, changing, and it is bigger than number 2 and number 3. Next I'll do is I'll again duplicate this page. And this time I'll just increase the size of number 2 like this. Okay. And you can see that I made it the same size of the number 1, and now I'll decrease the size of the number 2 and make sure that it is having a equal gap between the two. Okay, now this time what I will do, I'll again duplicate the page. Now is that I'll increase the size of number 3, that is this one, and I'll make it the same as number 2, and now I'll reduce the size of the number 2 as number 1, and make sure that all these three are in the same gap. Okay, now the most interesting part of this design is I'm going to add a transition. That is, I'll add a match and move transition, and you can select the transition duration, and you can put like apply between all the pages. Okay, now let's see how it is coming. I'll just show you like it number 1 now the number 2 will come up, and now the number 3 will come up. Okay, now my design is little bit done, and I'll show you how we can use this design also. And now I'll just put a name like green screen animation, and that's what the name of this designing is. Okay, so I'll be like putting it like this. Now let me download this animation. You can go to the file, and you can simply download it as a MP4 video. I'll just download it. Now friends, you just need to come back to the video which you have taken to put it as your Instagram reel or the YouTube shorts, and the video which I downloaded as a green screen animation in the MP4 format. I have already uploaded it. So I'll go to the upload section, and I just need to put it as an overlay over the video of mine, and you just need to click on this background removal option. And friends, I'll be showing you the final result now. So let's go there, and I will play this video for you. And here is point number 1, that is planning. Point number 2, that is animate, and point number 3 is remove. That all steps I have explained in this video. Friends, you can also use this type of animation for putting it as your Instagram reel, and you can put all the plans like this as if you are explaining something to your audience or to your viewers, and the viewers usually love this. So friends, try out this animation, and you can also put it as a comment inside the comment box, so that I will also love to know that whether you are using this type of animations inside your video or not. Friends, that's all for today. And if you really love this video, you can give a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to our HBNet Agency YouTube channel. Till then, friends, thank you, bye, and tomorrow again I'll see you, and have a wonderful day ahead.